Today we are working on a 2016 Mercedes E400 Coupe. The paint on the button is coming off of our window switches, so I went ahead and removed it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This is not an easy task. If you follow the instructions closely, you should be able to do it without damaging anything, but just be careful. So the first thing you got to do is remove the 3 screws that hold the door panel on. You have one here, this is T25, then you have one behind this chrome piece here, or 2, one there, it kind of goes up at an upward angle, and then one here, kind of goes up at an upward angle again. If you look straight in, you won't see it. You gotta look up. Those are also T25s. To take this off, it's just held on with clips. You have to start on this side, which is this side by the latch. Just pry up on it on the end and then gently work it away going this way, and then you can access these 2 bolts. After that, you pull the door handle out, and then you can stick a little pick in that hole and pull this forward. Don't pull it all the way off because it's got a little one-way clip holding that on. And then you can access the screw that's right there. After that, you can use, this is a Harbor Freight trim tool. It's super strong and sturdy. This is my favorite trim tool. It comes in a set for like $4. You can use that around, start at one of the bottom corners, stick it in, work your way around, up the sides, up the other way, and then this is also attached here at the corner, one blue clip up top, so you can stick your trim tool up behind there, pop it off. These will come off together. This clip here that goes in the longer slot, it does not come out easy. I would recommend leaving these together until you get it completely off, and then you can kind of widen this from the inside, from the back, to gently take this out. This will break off very easily, especially if you pull it forward like this. It can snap that tab off, so be careful of that. Oh, before this comes off, you need to take this piece of trim off. So it's just 3 T15s. That's it. See those 3 holes there. Alright, then you got the door panel off. Once all the clips are popped out, you got to kind of lift up and over the lock, and then it also sits in this groove here, so you just kind of lift it out. I'll turn it around. So after you pull the door panel away, you need to remove the door handle switch. That just pulls downward out of here. Just pull it straight down, and then you should be able to pull it up out of here. And then you have just 2 wires you gotta unclip from the door module. There and there. Use your pick to push that tab that way towards the wires, and then just gently pull and it'll come out. Then the sound insulation comes squeezed over these tabs, and then the wiring harness kind of holds it in place. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Just pull these off gently, pull them straight off. You can use a pick to help if you want, and then this flap will come off like this. After that, you can access the bottom of the window switch assembly. There will be 2 screws, one here and then one here. They are T10 screws. I use this mini wrench with a 1-inch bit. This mini ratchet works great just to break them loose, and then you can just hold the bit in your fingers to get them the rest of the way. And then once you take those 2 screws out, the switch assembly just comes right out. It might be a tight fit. You might need to jiggle it a little bit, but it does come right out. And that's how you remove window switch from a C207 E-Class Coupe 2014 to 2016. Comment below if you have any questions.